Hi people, it's been so long. Last time we talked about that Chinese is an object-oriented language. This time I will show you some examples that can show that Chinese also has some characteristics such as polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. Let's first talk about polymorphism. We all know that in English there is a verb tense. For different tense sentences, we use different formats for a verb. But in Chinese, there is no tense change, just like object-oriented language, for example, C++. If the sentence is seen as a virtual function, adding different words to show a different time, they can have different tense. So this is just like the characteristic of polymorphism. Let's have a look at this example. I play guitar. 我弹吉他. 我 means I, which is in green. 弹 means play, which is in red. 吉他, which is in blue, means guitar. If I want to say I am playing guitar now, which I will use 我正在弹吉他. You can just add 正在, which means right now, after 我. If I want to say I will play guitar tomorrow, I can just add 明天 after 我. If I want to say I played guitar yesterday, I just add 昨天 after 我. If you want to say I was playing guitar at this time last week, you can say 我上周这个时候正在弹吉他. 上周 means last week. 这个时候 means at this time. So from these examples, we can see after adding different words behind the subject in a sentence for showing different time, we can get different tense sentences. Now let's talk about encapsulation. When a yes or no question is asked, a word 么 is added to the end of the original sentence, and there is no need to change the other part of the sentence, just like the sentence is encapsulated. For example, 你正在家吃苹果, which means you are eating an apple at home. 你, which is in green, means you. 家, which is in blue, means at home. 苹果, which is in red, means an apple. 吃, which is in black and in front of 苹果, means eating. Actually, it means eat. So when you want to ask, are you eating an apple at home? You can just easily say, 你正在家吃苹果吗? You can just add one word, 吗, at the end of the original sentence. To make special questions, we can use different question words such as who, where, and what. The easy part is that you can just replace the word you want to ask with a question word on the same position in the original sentence. So, 谁 means who, 哪里 means where, 什么 means what. Let's look at the examples of how to make special questions. If you want to say, who is eating an apple at home? You just need to replace 你 with 谁 in the original sentence. So the sentence would be 谁正在家吃苹果? 谁 as in green in this sentence. If you want to say, where are you eating an apple? You just replace 家 with 哪里. So the sentence would be 你正在哪里吃苹果? 哪里 is shown in blue. If you want to say, what are you eating at home? In Chinese is 你正在家吃什么? 什么, which is in red, means what, and it is replacing 苹果. So now you can see how easy this is. Now let's look at another characteristic of OO, which is inheritance. So in Chinese, 车 means vehicle. And then we have different kinds of vehicles. We just simply put different kinds of words in front of 车. For example, 卡车 which means truck, 轿车 which means car, 公共汽车 which means bus. Now let's look at more examples about inheritance characteristics. 上 means top, 中 means middle, 下 means bottom. 上午 means morning, 中午 means noon, 下午 means afternoon. So we can see that we use top, middle, bottom to show the position of the sun, and then we get 上午、中午、下午, which are simply get 午 behind 上、中、下. Another example is 大 means large, 中 means middle, 小 means small, and 大学、中学、小学 they mean university, middle school, and elementary school, which shows the size of different kinds of schools. Okay, hope what I just showed you can help you a little bit to think that Chinese is not that hard to learn. I'll see you next time.